Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to install the Amazon Prime Video app on your Mac. All right, let's begin. To start, open your Mac and click on the Apple icon at the top left corner. From the drop-down menu, select App Store. Once the App Store opens, use the search bar and type in Amazon Prime Video. Unlike other streaming platforms like Netflix or Disney+, Amazon Prime Video has a dedicated Mac app. Once you find it in the search results, click on the Get or Install button. The app will start downloading and installing on your Mac. After installation is complete, click on Open to launch the app. You'll be prompted to sign in using your Amazon credentials. Once logged in, you'll have full access to the Amazon Prime Video library right from your desktop. You'll also notice the app icon added to your dock, allowing for quick access anytime you want to watch your favorite shows or movies. So that's basically how you can install the Amazon Prime Video app on your Mac. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.